Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix a Death Stranding 2 on the beach crashing, crashes at a startup, crashing to desktop, not loading or stuck on loading screen, not launching or won't launch issue or launching failed problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PC. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes. So the first fix is to simply restart Steam. So open Steam, click on the settings and then click on exit and then relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to modify the game launch options. You can try -DX11 or -DX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Death Stranding 2 on the beach. This is just an example I am showing with another game. So you have to right click on Death Stranding 2 and then select properties. Then in the launch options, type -DX11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then again go to the game properties and this time type -DX12, close the tab and then check. If it's still not working, again go to the properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3 is to run the game from the game installation folder, run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So go to the game installation folder, open C drive, program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder, and then open the Death Stranding 2 on the beach folder. Now first double click the ds2.exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on ds2.exe file and then select properties. And then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder by double clicking the ds2.exe file and then check. If that doesn't work, then check mark run this program in compatibility mode for from the drop down here select Windows 8, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then from the drop down here select Windows 7, then hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization option as well, then hit on apply, OK, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these three boxes, just untick it and then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 4 is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website, and if you have Intel graphic card driver, go to Intel website. Links will be provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver and then reinstall it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website, and once you're on this NVIDIA website, then enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select Windows operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run this exe file. So run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option and then hit on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC once and then launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Then click on manage ransomware protection. Then click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. And then click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, open Death Stranding 2 on the beach folder and then look for the ds2.exe file and then select it and then click on open to add it to the list. Then go back, then click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings, then click on allow another app, and then click on browse and then browse to the game installation folder, the same path. C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, open Death Stranding 2 on the beach folder and then look for ds2.exe file and then select it and then click on open and then click on add to add it to the list. And after adding it, Make sure both private and public is strict. This is just an example. And then click on OK to save changes. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Now, if you're using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, EVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well and then check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 6 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Death Stranding 2 and then select properties. And then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then go to the game installation folder. So go to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps common, Death Stranding 2 on the beach folder. And then look for DS2 exe file and then select it and then click on add to add it to the list. And after adding it, look for it. For example, I'm showing with another game. So expand Death Stranding on the beach file from here and then next to GPU preference, select high performance. And after selecting the high performance, you can go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 8 is to install Visual C++ file. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the Death Stranding 2 game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 9 is to disable overlay. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Death Stranding 2. This is just an example. And then select properties. And you will see enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just disable it and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable other overlay apps such as NVIDIA overlay, AMD overlay, Discord, and then launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Death Stranding 2 on the beach from the PC. Then just restart your PC and reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing into another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Death Stranding 2 on the beach, game crashing, crashes to desktop, crashing at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.